Right, onto this wee job. Very, very important job here, as this slip sill will determine the floor level, so it's got to be right. I think what we're going for is 3-inch insulation, or 4-inch insulation and 3-inch screed, or vice versa. So we're going to come up here 7 inches, and then all the door frames will be set to that height, and then that means the screed technically could go in, but it can't yet until we get the plumbing and the electric work done. I don't even want to think about that yet, as we've still got plenty of jobs to do. So once I get this done, I'll probably just spend the rest of the day and tomorrow cleaning up, so the place is nice and fresh. But also have a look, guys, of these big walls now. And to me it just looks better with any bits of framing done as well, and you can more visualize the shape. And just in that middle one, I'm going to put 2 bits of glass just to let some light through. I'll probably stick to, there is a pencil mark there, and you probably can't see it, but it's just to the right of the strap there, the gang nails. So that is dead center on that one, which means that it's just going to be hard to equalize that. But it doesn't matter, because this middle is offset as well, because the outside is centered off this door, or looks good enough. And the reason for everything being all sort of in and out is this corner, as this porch widens slightly here. But then this is set back, which is good. I think originally he was trying to get it back more in line with his head, but he couldn't remember why it couldn't be done, but it couldn't be done. So this is where we're at with that. Pretty happy with it. Sometimes I get a wee bit OCD myself with wanting things symmetrical and nice and margined, but I think as long as I keep it maybe there, forget this line, at least if I stud it out, I'll be able to visualize it better as well. I'll know what we're looking at then, but I'm not sure that it not being symmetric is going to annoy me so much, because it's a practical thing for me. It's letting in a wee bit of light as well, and it's a wee bit something different. So I've just propped it up level, and I built the side of them a couple of brick and toothed them. You can see laser level here on my fingertips, right long. So just sitting perfect. It took some time to get that in. Oh, well, it has to be right. I'll just double check it with the lie detector. So there you go, guys. Not too bad. Whew. So all I have left to do now is just fill the middle in, but I'll probably let them set first, as I don't want to move, put weight on it really, in case it starts moving. Might build a couple more brick just out a wee hair, and then that's another wee job ticked off the box. Still have a few more of these to build in. I'm not really looking forward to that. Right, guys, so gonna wrap it up now. Out of cement, believe it or not, I have like 3 bricks left to go, and completely out. But yeah, happy enough, got a good start there. So that's the slip sill in, and might shutter a wee half-inch or an inch concrete bed across the front there, and just help insulate it. Need to turn off the Sigma laser level, which helped. Hard to see, don't know if the camera picks it up, but she's sitting pretty nice there, right along. Hard to see if you can see the line, but it's came in pretty good, and that'll be the floor level all the way along. Could see it better. There it is there. The sun's out, so a bit harder to see, but yeah, the laser level helped a lot there. I just propped it up and then built underneath up. Still have to fix the bits of insulation now, as I had to cut them to get the sill in. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap up for now. I have a rendering job coming up. I'll try and make sure I have a wee bit of scrapings left, even scrape something off the floor, just to finish that wee bit of building there. Yeah, I'm pretty chuffed. It's a weekend well spent getting all them built up as well, and everything on the inside. I do need to point a few wee things still, but that's it. The bricklaying's really come to a crunch now, and will probably in the future a good bit down the line, but I'm planning on building pillars at the front gate, 2 pillars, and a wee garden house with a, I would like to say retaining wall, but it's not going to retain anything, but just down along there's like a drain there. I'm not call it a shock, I'll call it a drain. So there's like a drain down there, and I'd like to build a couple of block up and then put a railing and like a wee raised bed and stuff. But that's all way down the line. There's absolutely millions of work to do here, tons of work to do here, but I'll get there.
What we doing live? Echoes in eternity.